Hello, familia. Welcome. My name is MagdalineJanet. If you are new, welcome to the fam. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because we're always here having a good time. And come visit me on TikTok and Insta because I'm there daily. And of course, welcome back to my oldies and goodies. Oh my gosh, I literally was thinking about that. I almost forgot my intro. Hi fam. It's post my birthday. I took yesterday off because I was exhausted. I vlogged my birthday. You're gonna see it in this month's vlog. Coming up at the end of the month, I'm ready. Skin is skinning. Damn, skin looks good today. I did my skincare. I let it sit for about 30 minutes. Do my eyebrows. I put my lip balm. I get my filming stuff ready. So talking about ready and filming, NYX has a face glue. Wow. The face glue gripping primer. Oh my god, why is it falling? Let's see. It literally looks like Elmer's glue. Oh wait, no, this is not right. This can't be right. It's like this. You know me, sometimes I don't get the packaging right. Here we go. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, it looks like glue. Actually, before, let me give you info about the new NYX, the face glue gripping primer retails for $9. This face glue gripping primer hydrates and grips your makeup for up to 24 hours without the ick. Get all the grip, none of the stickiness. Formulated with polyglutamate acid and maple syrup, this primer drenches your skin in hydration to grip your makeup. Primer feels comfy on skin, breathable all day, and gives a soft, focused finish. It's a water-based primer that is compatible with all skin types, including sensitive skin. Available at Ulta. All right, now that we have the tea, it's only $9. It is very affordable, which I like. I've been loving NYX's blur screen. So this is how this looks. It feels lightweight. Does it smell like glue? It doesn't, no scent. It feels lightweight. I feel like it's one of those that kind of gets sticky when it dries down. It's transparent, so it's brown skin girl friendly. We like transparent things that just don't leave us a white cast and melts into our skin like this. Yeah, it needs to dry down. What time is it? It's 10 a.m. Let's give it a couple of seconds. I'm thinking of just priming this side of the face so we can see a difference. Do we see a difference? I don't know. It's hydrating. A little bit goes a long way. Oh, it's getting sticky. Yeah, there's a bit of a tackiness. Oh, there is. Oh, that's sticky. But you need to give it some time because it's a wet formula. Giving it time allows it to become sticky. Oh, wow. This is like... It's sticky, not in the grip elf sticky. You know how that's like, it's sticky immediately? This one, you lay it, it's kind of like glue, yeah. You know how Elmer's glue, look, even my hands are sticky. It takes a little bit of time to have your paper stick down. Is it too sticky? Will it patch the foundation up? That could be a thing. I have an itch. I feel it sticky on the skin too. It feels, wow, all right. So it's been 2 minutes. It still feels wet. Let's give it another 2 minutes. Let me get all my makeup and then let's see. It's now been 4 minutes. Yeah, this is sticky. It's dried down a little bit. It's not as sticky. I feel like it may be stickier than the e.l.f. one. Let's see how this makeup wears. Let's remember this side. The left side is the side with primer. Because I've been on a roll with drugstore. Let's do also a full face of drugstore makeup. I'm changing it up because I've been like using the same stuff I feel like lately. I'm just gonna add the makeup, speed it up, see how it goes. Girl, look how smooth this is. Hold on, let me look. Before I start going in with powders, wow, that applied nicely. Oh, no primer. Can you see it? I feel like this side is just smoother. What do you think? We're here, right? I have also the setting spray. It locks makeup for 24 hours. It's waterproof, transfer proof, and fade resistant. Boosts color with no sticky finish. Give it a good shake. It has maple syrup that keeps makeup gripped all day. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I'll use it on my whole face. We'll know that this side is the gripping side. Look, we're a little patchy here. Are we patchy here? No. Ooh, is it too grippy? Hold on, maybe I need to just blend it. And then the blush. This side definitely looks smoother. But that happens when you're dealing with something grippy. It's not too obvious, but I could see it. Can you see it? I don't even know if you could see it. Okay, this side looks good. Anytime I set, I want to make sure everything's like done, nice and ready. Let's first give it a... Ooh, ooh, ooh. How does it face? I want to touch my face and see how it feels. It feels fine. It doesn't feel like too sticky. Quickly over with the bronzer. A little bit of the blush. A little bit of the foundation powder. I will see you when everything's done. All set and done. Don't lie, this primer is kind of nice. I like it. It really is sticky. It is doing, not my dirty me, the other piece. It is doing what I said I was gonna do. I do find though my bronzer and blush look a little patchy here versus the no primer side. You see how it's slightly smoother? The thing about it is that can happen because you're dealing with something sticky and tacky. It can tack on to spots. I love that the foundation didn't patch up, so I figured nothing else was gonna patch up, but it's not super like obvious. You could see the difference, right? That's the only thing I see. I love the stickiness. Of course, we're gonna have to wait and see if it lasts, if it separates. Definitely sticky, hydrating, very, very lightweight primer. You see a difference here? I don't know, I'm breaking out right there, but look, looks a little smoother here, right? Just a smidge versus no primer. The spray sprayed it down well. I didn't find that it was too sticky. I also didn't put a lot because I didn't want to put a lot. Here, let's spray it in the hand and see how it like dries. My lip combo is this right here. This was my birthday lip combo, so I want to redo it because I loved it so much. So No Whining lip liner from NYX. L'Oreal 560 Payday. Let that dry. MAC 640 Red Rock. It's this red. So freaking yes, I loved it. Okay, let's see. Smells exactly like the primer. No, it's not really sticky. Oh, it is a little bit. It is a little bit. As a very first impressions, you can use one or the other. You can probably use this as the primer instead of putting it on your hand because it does get sticky. Yeah, it does get sticky. I feel like it's the same thing, is it? I mean, I would pick one or the other. If you want to start with spraying your face, adding your foundation, spray again, adding your powders, finishing up and spray again, I think this would work definitely well. Let's add a little bit now that we're here. Spray one last time. Told you guys in the other video, my fan is dead. I don't know why I'm not buying a new one though. I need to. It like makes the noise of a fan, but it's not doing the fanning. Yeah, we look good. We don't have white cast. Brown skin, friendly because it is very, very transparent. Basically, is clear on the skin. So we love that. Let's go in front of the window so you can see how things look in daylight. Yeah, let's see how it wears too. I'm excited. In front of the window, cameras flip. So this is the side with the primer. Let's look. There's like a bit of a smoothness to this. It's not tacky or anything. What do you think? And then the no primer side. The no primer side, I feel like you can see it looks smooth, but you can see texture more. This is like smoother in this way. This looks a little more harsh because it's the primer. It's sticky. Maybe give it more time to dry. It's not horrible. As you can see in daylight, you have a better view, but it's a difference, you know? Okay, bye. Not my lip looking all janky, but it's okay. It is 9 o'clock. We've had the primer on for about 11 hours. I did get some footage for you at around close to 5 o'clock to show you. The skin with the primer side was looking very, very smooth. And I had touched it on this side and it was completely dry. Nothing had transferred. Everything was looking well put together and smooth. The other side was looking good, but again, I feel like it wasn't as smooth as the primer side. This side was also kind of dry too, but again, this is like the 7-hour mark. 11 hours later, let's look. Primer side, I don't know, it just looks smooth. Something about it looks very smooth. Dry here, especially because I have oily skin. It was hot. I am radiant there. Here is the non-primer side. I mean, yeah, the non-primer side. You see? Yeah. Primer's good. I like it. It definitely made a difference. I can see it here. You see how much smoother this whole side is versus here? You see how much more pigmented the blush still is versus here? Again, do you think it's a big deal? I don't think it's a big deal, but let me know if you do. I definitely think this worked very, very well. I think it's sticky, it's lightweight, it adheres to the skin, which are the claims. It worked well with the products I used today, especially all these products I like, I know, and work well. Definitely tomo gastada. So I kind of like it. What I'm gonna do tomorrow is wear it again and then see if we get like this patch, just so I can show you. It'll be like a quick snippet, so I'll just insert it here. Let's see, let's see. Yesterday I used it on one side. Let's use it on both sides. Hey, day number 2 using the NYX gripping primer and the spray. Today, like yesterday, remember I had those spots, like splotchiness? It didn't happen today because I did wait a little bit longer for the stickiness to not be as wet and as sticky. It's kind of like an in-between, you know, you want to let it dry enough, but not too much to where the adhesiveness of the primer is not there anymore. Because look, skin looks good. Everything went on so well. So as a day 2, I really like the primer. I'll probably do a wear test in about a few hours so you can see how the skin looks. But look, and I use it on both sides today too. Skin with the NYX primer day 2. Girl, look, no oils. This is stuck down. I like it. Any makeup that performs well that's under $10 at the drugstore, I'm all for. And NYX typically does makeup well. I don't ever find that they have like horrible products. NYX is just such a trustworthy type of brand. You know what you're getting yourself into when you buy NYX. This is available on NYX's website and Ulta. I will link it down below so you can purchase it and I'll have it tagged on the screen. Also, but let me know your thoughts. Are you planning on getting it? Have you seen it around? Do you think it's gimmicky? Because this is very random, but it's randomly good. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and spending a little bit of your day with me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the button right there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.